everybody, welcome back to the breakdown. Today we're going to be taking a look at 5 hacks to get free food from McDonald's and to make sure that food is fresh. Yes, we all love free food, but when we're paying for it or if it's free, we still want it fresh, right? And nothing is worse than a sandwich that's been sitting under those heat lamps or the heat table, whatever they call it there, that keeps the food warm for 10 minutes or more as it waits for you to come and order it. Let's be honest, that's not good. We're going to show you how to get it fresh every time and how to get some free food and free drinks from McDonald's. First though, before we do that, hit that subscribe button. Hit that thumbs up. It really does help us because it lets YouTube know you enjoy what we do here. We do a lot of videos like this to help you learn something new in a short, easy to understand video that hopefully helps you discover more about the world or ways to get what you want easier. So let's start off with how to get free food. Did you know McDonald's actually has a rewards program? It's not exactly the most advertised program out there. It's inside their app. You need to download the McDonald's app, sign up for it there, and then as you order food, check out, have them scan your app. That allows you to earn points to redeem towards free food and other goodies from McDonald's. It's actually a pretty good program that holds up very well to many of their other competitors out there who have been doing these rewards programs for a while. So check it out. Take the time to scan it. You're already buying food, right? Every time you do that, scan it, get free food or free points to earn towards free food. What happens if you're a coffee drinker, McCafe drinker? Get a lot of drinks there. Did you know you can get your 6th drink free if you buy 5 drinks? Yes, for every 5 drinks, if you scan through the rewards program in their app, you can get free drinks from McDonald's. Now, they did warn you that this plan, the McCafe rewards, are changing soon. They're going to be rolling out a new program to replace the current one. No word on what the new details will be, but right now they say because of that, rewards for free drinks are only good for 60 days. After 60 days, they will expire, so make sure to redeem your rewards within the first 60 days out there. All right. Also, McDonald's really wants you to use the app because it also helps them speed up. They're really trying to push you to the apps, both for the McCafe and for the food, to pre-order your food so when you show up, it's ready for you. And they're even in newer stores going to be installing drive-through lanes for pre-orders through the app. Yes, there will be a special drive-through lane. You go through it, pull up to a window, get your food, rather than parking and waiting for the McDonald's employees to carry out your food, which is sometimes not the best experience. Let's be honest, they can take a while to do that. But now with a dedicated drive-through lane where you pull up to the window, they scan your little barcode on your phone and hand you your food, boom, you're done. Is a way they're going to be trying to push that. I think the rewards program will be a way they hope that will attract you to use that more often to help them speed up delivery. All right, number 3 hack. Let's look at how to get fresh food, right? We all love a good fresh sandwich, and McDonald's can actually be really good sandwiches if they're fresh. What we don't want is that Big Mac, that quarter pounder, whatever it may be, that's been sitting there for a long time on the heat pads or the heat lamps or more. Let's be honest, it's just not a good experience. Now, the good news is there's an easy way to make sure it's fresh pretty much every time, and that is to ask them to customize it. Yes, if you ask McDonald's to customize your food, they will actually produce it fresh for you. So if you say no pickles or no onions or extra onions, extra pickles, whatever you may like, they'll go in the back and they'll produce it for you fresh 99% of the time. They're not supposed to open up existingly made sandwiches on the line to just alter it for you. No, they're supposed to do it fresh, and typically they do. So keep that in mind. Just ask for a minor change to your order because it will really improve the quality of your food by making it fresh instead of being one that's been sitting in a line for a while. Now, number 4, did you know that McDonald's round eggs, those ones on the Egg McMuffin that you see, are actually fresh? Yes, they crack a fresh egg, cook it right there in the store every morning as you're ordering food, they're cracking those eggs. But the ones that are like the bacon and cheese biscuit, those more scrambled looking ones with the layers to it, are actually pre-produced. Now, they are from fresh eggs and more, but they're actually pre-made and then warmed up on the day of sale. Like many of those frozen eggs and more you can buy from the store. They're actually good, but if you really want that fresh egg, when you do sandwiches that don't offer them, ask them to substitute for a round egg. Yes, if you substitute for a round egg, A, the sandwich will be fresh, put together. B, the egg will be fresh from a real egg cracked on there and produced. It's a really good way to get good quality food whenever you order a breakfast sandwich. And number 5, sandwiches are great. Breakfast sandwiches, burgers are all great fresh. But what about the fries? Fresh McDonald's fries, I will be honest, are one of my favorite things, but I like them fresh and warm. Did you know there's a hack to get it for fresh every time you order it? Now, what they say, people who work there says, ask for it with no salt. They pre-produce the fries, pour them out into a heat tray, and then salt them right there, and then they just fill French fries as they go. Now, during busy times, that's fine because they're producing them so fast. As soon as they're out, people are ordering them, they're gone within a reasonable amount of time. It's the slower times, right? When you pull up and no one's in the store and you're the only one ordering and you're wondering how long that food's been sitting there. If you order it with no salt, they'll produce it with a fresh batch and give you those. But what happens if you like salt? Don't worry, you can still get salt with your fries. Just ask for a salt packet at the window. And then you can salt it to whatever level you like, which is actually pretty nice because sometimes McDonald's fries are too salted, sometimes there's not enough salt. You kind of never know sometimes because it's just a human shaking that salt. Did they cover the fries evenly, or did one batch of fries get a ton of the salt and the other side didn't? So there you go. There are 5 tips to get free food from McDonald's and how to get it fresh whenever you order it. So leave me a comment. Let me know. Do you have any other tricks to get free food from McDonald's? Do you have any other tips to get it fresh without it being sitting under the heat lamps for a long amount of time? Leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up. It really does help us because it lets YouTube know you enjoy what we do here. And hopefully we can help you learn something new. Check back tomorrow for another video. Until then, take care everybody. Be safe.